Ito ang Biyahe by DJ Lala Banderas. DJ Lala Banderas.
Love, back with me, DJ Lala Banderas, para sa ating programang Sakto, Claro, Diretso. Unang stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Forgotten. Love, like everything else in life, ang kasikatan lumilipas din yan. Ika nga ng mga batikan sa larangan ng entertainment. Panapanahon lang yan. One day you are a trend and the next day you are no longer relevant. That's the reality of it. Kaya kapag na-reach mo yung pangarap mong makilala, do good with the fame you are given. Touch lives, spread love and positivity. Para pag may umusbong na bagong trend, people will continue to remember you because of the good you've done, not because you were once a household name. Madami na kasi akong nakikitang influencers ngayon online na, in all fairness, sikat talaga sila. People know who they are. But if tatanungin mo yung mga tao as to why sila sikat, it's either kasi may issue sila or worse, dahil nag-public apology sila for something they did wrong at lalo pa silang binabash ng tao. Love, remember, the online crowd is unforgiving. One wrong tweet, one wrong post, and that earned fame can turn 360. So again, once you're up there, aim to do good and be good. You have a shot to influence others. Don't use that power to hurt other people. Kasi when karma strikes, you'll find yourself forgotten. And the worst feeling of it is the fact that you actually deserve it. Okay? Next stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Forgotten ay para naman sa mga taong pinalad na maging maganda ang takbo ng career. Remember sa mga ganitong sitwasyon what your parents used to tell you or kahit sinong nakatatanda sa iyo used to remind you na kapag naging maganda ang pasok ng pera sa iyo, you invest it wisely and you invest it sa mga tamang tao. May mga iba kasi na sa sobrang saya nila of all the material things, they also start doing things that they won't normally do just because of the excuse na, I am living my life to the fullest. Attracting people na will definitely drink with you, party with you, and travel with you. Kasi sagot mo naman eh. But when the time comes na splurge mo na lahat ng riches mo or nagkanda malas-malas ang lahat ng wrong investments mo, it is sad to find yourself back at the bottom with none of your party friends around you to pick you up. Classic story of rags to riches and back. Pero ang hindi ko maintindihan na why is that kahit sobrang classic na ng storyang yan, may nadadali pa din in reality. Love, if you don't want to be forgotten by those people na tinuturing mong kaibigan, then do not forget them as well once makadama ka ng konting ginhawa o kainaman sa buhay. Do not trade years of knowing a person to a moment of having fun with a stranger. When you're up there, lagi mong tatandaan yung mga taong tumulong para maabot mo yun. That way, even if you reach the rock bottom again, you will never be forgotten and you'll never be alone. Okay? So next stop ng ating hashtag Biyaheng Forgotten ay para sa mga kabisyo nating takot sumubok sa relasyon dahil minsan nang nabigo. Love, building a relationship in all aspect na to, mapa romantic, friendship, or family man yan, there will always be risks. Risk of hurting someone or risk of being hurt. That is part of the experience. Kaya nga ako, every time na nasa relationship ako, I give it my all. I make sure na I'll leave a mark. One, because I don't like having to regret anything in my life. And secondly, because gusto ko pag hindi nag-work out para sa akin yung relationship, I'll be the one na mahirap kalimutan. Ako yung magiging mahirap kalimutan. Not because maganda ako. But because I was good or even great at being that. GF, kaibigan, or pinsan, or whatnot. So as long as you are at your best, do not be afraid to try again. Remember, if what you gave is still not enough for them, the problem is not you, but them. Please do not stop yourself from being happy dahil lang sa mga taong nanakit sa'yo before. You were never forgotten by those people. You were set free because they are the wrong people and you deserve more and you deserve better. Ikaw ang sayang, hindi sila. Tandaan mo yan. Okay? So mga kabisyo natin, diretso na lang natin ang ating usapan na hashtag biyaheng forgotten sa aking Facebook fan page, DJ Lala Banderas. So you are still with me, DJ Lala, and you are still tuned in sa aking programang biyahe, ang programang sakto, klaro, diretso. Dito lang yan sa 90.7 Love Radio. GV lang, walang hate, puro love lang.
Always your number one SM radio station. Love Radio.
Love, kung natuwa ka sa aming video, i-click mo na yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para naman notified ka sa mga bago naming videos.